is our model HD250 CNC. This is our test shop here at Heathfield. As you can see here, Alligator HD510LR-H semi-automatic miter fabrication work just goes through straight up the likes of CNC users who want to. Over that end of the machine, you have a removable swivel head round like this, and also a removable so you're back to zero. So keeping it there. Straight automatic cuts, ball bearings here. Right, we have a 3 horsepower motor here, which is driven by frequency inverter to give you a big range of blade speeds. Have anything from this side of course can be adjusted by these small pieces like aluminium. Down here we have quite easily 60 degrees. Rise the blade nice and straight. The primary steel rollers to roll the blade straight before it goes through the degrees. Of course. These are the bundle zones. The vice can be slid across the machine. Stack material up. And of course you can feed the material. It can be removed by means of the baby or fitting down the layout on the hydraulic pipe. Right, on the side of the machine you can see there is a device here for setting the height above the work. So it's just clear of the work to save time when this is the motor, 3 kilowatts, driving a Weber sharp gearbox. Very strong hydraulics. This is the removable small brake, so you want to empty that. As when blade wear, the machine is now you can see there's more than adequate access stability with the stiffness of this bar. There is absolutely no movement. You won't get the wobbling around effect you see on the very cheap. Coolant tank for easy cleaning. And this end we have a coolant pump here, which is easily accessible for maintenance, which is a digital reader. Here we have the blade tension. Both ways on this machine, as I showed you earlier. This up until it goes tight. There is an absolute dead stop here. Spring washers underneath, and that's when it goes tight to zero when you're doing straight every time. And also you need that micro switch. Will switch the machine off should the blade break.
Okay, this is the control panel. Most important switch, the emergency stop switch here. The main isolator for the machine. This is the downfeed control. That is the blade cutting speed.
Which stops the machine should the blade break in the cut.
Down here we have a control switch. This is manual control on this position, and automatic control on that position. This is the blade speed. So on top speed here you might be cutting aluminium, on the low speed, tall steels, etc.
Control panel, obviously emergency stop.
Here we have the front vice opening and closing,
a switch
the back vice feed vice opening and closing.
If you want it to stop,
this brings the bow down manually,
but if you want it to
turn manually.
Up to the top of the cut,
this switch
you can have it on one, so
starts
it goes down
the blade,
the cut, pops back up again. The down feed
this
rate,
switch
the blade
makes the vice go in and out. Again, for setting
and the
purposes.
blade speed, velocity of the blade,
and this is the main start switch. This starts up all the hydraulics, etc.
meters per minute.
Over here, we have the computer for all the programming. That's for your lengths and the number of pieces. And I'll come to that in a minute.
Geometry, which adds strength.
This is setting up of the machine. You can see the controls here. The main one to use is F3, of course, setting. As you can see, this says Series 01. That would be the first program. There are 30 programs that you can store on the machine. You can run one program after the other if you wish. For instance, you might want to cut a 6 metre length into several different sizes. Therefore, you can run one size, then the next size, then the next size. Or you might just wish to store programs for future use. So you have 30 opportunities to do so. That said, it's very easy to set the lengths and the number of pieces, so storing is a matter of choice really. So, as you can see, there's an edit sign here. I'm going to press F4, which is the edit button. And I've got onto series number 1, that's the first program. Number of pieces to cut, I can change. For instance, 15 pieces I'm going to cut. Length, at the moment it's saying 35 millimeters. I can change that up to 250, for instance. Then if there's a slight variation in length, maybe the blade's slightly thicker than the next blade, and you can actually put a correction value in there, but usually you don't have to touch that. And then you press escape, and the machine is already set up to do 15 pieces, 250 millimeters long, and all you have to do is escape